In this video, let me teach you on how to remove duplicates in the Photos app on your iPhone. Let's begin. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Swipe up and look for the Duplicates album under the Utilities section. Tap on it to access your duplicates. Once you're in the Duplicates album, tap the Select button at the top. Here, you can select individual duplicated photos you wish to remove, or you can choose Select All to highlight all duplicates at once. After selecting the photos, tap the merge option below. You'll have the choice to merge only photos that are exactly the same or all photos that look the same but may have different resolutions, file formats, or slight differences. Select your preferred option and then tap Merge Items to confirm. When you merge duplicate photos, your iPhone will combine highest image quality and relevant data, keeping just one photo in your library. The other duplicates will move to your recently deleted album. From there, you can then choose to permanently delete the duplicate photos if you wish, or keep them for a while longer. And that's how you can remove duplicates from your Photos app on iPhone. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.